Today, I'm going to talk to you about how overwhelm, anxiety, and fear can really impact your presence. So, think about it. When you are overwhelmed, you've got all these different thoughts coming at you, and it can really feel like sense how that feels in your body. You've got so many different people coming and wanting something from you. You've got all these tasks that you want to get done, and you start to feel overwhelmed. It's like you're chasing after things and you don't know how to settle and come from a more stable space of foundation. So that's one thing. And then what happens is that we lose our ability to stay present to ourselves, to have presence so that people can hear us. Instead, we're more scattered and we're thinking of this, and somebody's talking to you and you're not really listening to them because you're thinking of all of these other things that still need to be done. It happens to all of us. And that similarly with anxiety and fear, it's those two are very much about projecting your thought into the future about what may happen. And that too takes us out of our potential of being in the moment where our power is. That's why presence work is so important. So, again, the antidote to all of these things, overwhelm and anxiety and fear that keeps us up in our head, is to get in your body. And I'll be showing you, taking people through a free introductory workshop that's coming up in February 8th. It's a Wednesday evening from 6 till 8 p.m. EST online. And a second one, if you can't make it, you can try it on a Saturday, February the 11th from 1 till 3 p.m. EST. And the sign up is on my website, which I'll put in the information that goes with this video. It is an introductory workshop to empowered feminine leadership, really taking a look at how developing your feminine presence first is the most important thing before strategy. And then all your strategies start to fall into place. I'm Jane Gratmans, and I am the creator of Empowered Feminine Leadership. Talk to you again soon. And my YouTube channel is Jane Gratmans